Uda really, you can't pay one top lawyer because I won't go. I mean, on a circuit court, you go, so I must done a Sutton Street court to go. You know, but you say you obtain a liar because the liar where you did have with Mr. Handsome, a legal aid liar. The man from Constant Spring Road, the big Maliban, a legal aid liar. And you say you obtain a liar. So you can't use your money. All is shown up for telling that's I mean people. Me come out here and me beg. And if me want $10 at that, me I beg. Me nah beg no more. Me nah get no richer for nobody who no see me nah in an argument with nobody. And you want tell me now, say, make it make sense, you know. Make it make sense. Then give a big chuck. You can't take your money and take care of yourself. You already say you beg back to school bag for charity and something. You couldn't go use your money and paint your house. You can't use your money and do nothing, but you rather pay it in a liar for. You know where you coming like? I come from the ghetto and I see people suffer of them family are foreign. I ask them that more than one time. It's the mentality of our fellow Jamaican. It is sin. Then can't help them family and then night them family, but make them family dead, then come bury them family. The biggest way answer them I take shame out of them eye. So I like you know. You could know what day you come out and you say you have no food in your house, you have one. And you could take your money and buy food. You could take your money and buy shrimps and lobster and pork and yam it. But you rather take it and spend it all. But you fool no fat. You fool no fat though. Can you not spend your money by yourself? Then turn to arena one. Now me I want question for you, you know. The reason why me not call Lorraine name, you know. Because it's up people. Guess what? Me I want question. From the day I come over here, me do see back Bob. No one then me used to see one Bob. I can't see from the day I come over here come make a mischief with Bob. Bob don't come back over here. But me I want question for ask you now because I say it come to my mind because I say it's Bob's mother-in-law, you know. And Lorraine now go sue. I don't think Lorraine going to sue because I said there is going to become a conflict of interest because I say me no know if Bob I go can because I said they say over Canada they say Bob working at one company when drive a cran. I saw his thing name. They saying work you remember? I saw then they come out on social media account say me no know if I true allegedly. Me a turn donor allegedly. So I wonder when get money from to put up. You have money there for pay. One thing though when me I gotta tell you Curly. As a woman to woman, no bother with the kitchen. Me no know you got the kitchen. The kitchen can't come in at the money because I said the kitchen is charity kitchen and you can't take charity thing. And the fruit tree, them yeah, the little breadfruit and the coconut and stuff she go sell. You can't really, me no like her. But me no really too want in lose. You understand? Cause we not there fi fight down nobody more than the ordinary. Me glad you disciplinary. Me from the bottom of my heart, Curly, I'm glad you're the disciplinary. And me say, and me attack this with no apology. I want Lady V's word too. I want you there at Courtcase every week she for keep busy. I want gear content when she come from Courtcase and drive with content. And that you want. And to see I want Lady V and Curly make I tell you something. Don't care no only pa cast me hear certain people I tell about. Don't make nobody go make you do like Handsome because she's a wicked. Do not carry nobody go make no bangarang make you tell no lie pan and say you carry people come cause she a liar. Cause so when time she go down there, when Maxine come here call name, go down there and a video and now so she run go hide behind the big belly liar and say oh Maxine or something and then she talk oh Maxine and she Maxine go make Handsome lose the case. Or the case don't go nowhere. Cause I want you well disciplined. Me no want and Curly don't take no mediation with her. Don't go on no mediation. Make she go tell the judge. Curly, any all them are saying they go to mediation protest. Don't go to no mediation. Go turn up in a one judge. Make you prove it. When she tell the Italian man, make you prove it when she call the morgue. Make you prove it when she call the man. And better yet, make you tell the judge how she obtain or become or get a hold of your social security number. Don't make you feel right that full time now you to the amount harder. After my son, you think, I don't know. But police shoot out my son eye. Me, you mean I sue you, you know, come now wait money. I me tell you no this come, me don't care. You go on and your people them tell you about Obia. You go on till one somebody get fed up. Cause every time you feel like say you got Obia man and go dominate and thing, one I go get fed up one day and pay a hit man and I hope you can dominate that you're too outer hard and too wicked. You feel like say you can't go use your thinking self where you not be the old thief. See it now? All of the homeless scamming money I go down in a life. You never did I go enjoy. So you not enjoy it? Cause you not take your money and do a hairstyle. You not take your money and do nothing. You not take your money and buy not even food. Cause you come out here 2 weeks ago and I say blood clot. Look there. 7 months now, me no work and me no reach you so. And you not take your money. You not take your money and spend it by yourself. You not take your money and enjoy life. You're out here, you beg paint. You the beg this, hello. You the beg that. But yet still, you can't find money to pay a big liar. Eh? Make it make sense. Yet still you can't find money and you say so. For pay a big liar, you have to go put gas in your vehicle. For go to town. Huh? Take it turn around and look pan it. But everywhere you turn Macajuke, if you come out here, boy, may I tell you, it look like the then got Zion and pray for your nastiness. And when you come out here every time you hear somebody talk about your different woman, stop calling Dana name. Stop it. Cause you done this second wickedness out here. But woman said man, but Dana said man come in your yard for kidnap you. Who did want you for kidnap you? Too lie. I know you come like say, stop call the woman name. You have some shame. Ashima want to sue you. Ashima want to sue you. I'm say a lady V, one lady V get up and find Bumbo. And go down there go sue you too. For what you talk about you hold long in data and sitting. I want she sue you too. I know everybody if you come up by and sue you. I'm not a fan of Curly. But me tell you now already, me not yet Curly. But good God. Good God. You did not do it for content. Cause Curly even come out here and say, you don't leave her alone, she not leave the woman alone. All when Curly don't see the woman a night or two, no, just still come out. The last thing what Curly do to you, me say I laugh till I nearly. Curly go up on her live and start playing music the way you shame like a dog. Boy, you not have to play nobody content. You have to play people content just like how the only thing where you didn't know how to catch, man. That's the only thing where you didn't know how COVID come and then run on the half of the street. And you come and say you come for the rent. And I don't say you don't get help, me say you use the most, and I gotta beat you. The people that help you for turn the mark in an Airbnb. Nothing. That I Cheryl did down there. You think Cheryl I want, hey man, me tell you, me no cry water for you. Me no cry. Cause me tell you say if you put out my son picture, I know not the normal. I wouldn't not the normal, cause John got it with him one part of them people them and Darrell Valls. Me not afraid of them. The John got the strength where you live off of John got it. Let me tell you something. John got it one pop badness out of style. Trust me, John got it country days one pop, it's out of style. Gone are the days John Gotti cannot do anybody anything anymore. Them days you have you walking and making trouble and John Gotti drive with you in the piece of all car go make a stone the people them yard and something and because John Gotti have him one pop. People they afraid of him. I'm not afraid of John Gotti no more. And you coming out here with your dirty mouth. Cause we don't know what kind of mouth that you ever cost people. And you grease yourself, it don't make no difference. It don't make no difference. When all you take all the people, them, I hope all of them will you to give you content you want, content you get. I know you come out but you up to your lawyer and you this and you that. With the homeless money, the scamming money, Sharon high grade, all of the money with Sharon high grade. That's why it have to go like butter again, son. It have to say I want the lawyer suck out everything. And I want the Asian Obia man where you got Portland, the one where you got the church, the one where everything you run to. I want in here, the one where you fuck the dirty Rasta woman and you Carol when time we no go for scam the woman you talk about. Carol and the man they want to want to scam the people. I want the man suck out everything. I said I want the Obia man and the liar. My grandmother tell me, if I mean look a bit, you know, at 3 places you fi avoid, you know, if you don't want turn papa, you know. Doctor shop, eat healthy. Avoid Obia man and avoid liar. Those are the 3 things we make you walk with one hand behind you and one in front. And as far as old Missy, a day you end up with the homeless them money. With the homeless money, because see what they are the legal and liar do. You see somebody pay. Now you say you have to obtain liar. And you have to go pay. I'm saying I put my mom say I want that and lady via and everybody else carry you. I want all the boy in England get up out time blood clot, get up and carry you too. I want the whole of them carry you too, blood clot out of order. Enough and plentiful. I feel like you're untouchable out here. And the wickedest thing, you know, all you they go along, you know, this is the sad part about it, you know. All you think you have been shot that they are toot. So we see the madman, the spit and she run. All you seen that they are toot. I two Rottweiler them and the camera in their house. And I don't attack town. Don't attack town. I say, I sorry when the man they push you off of the building. I don't know why the man never push you off and broke your back. I don't know why that man never push you off and broke your neck until you forget we get to the nasty ass. Across it, you have to go away. Boy, you come out, you come and talk and just come. Anybody where you want to think about you, don't call that name, take that name out of your thinking mouth. Take the woman name out of your mouth. You try for the woman and everything. Everybody out here. And who are haters and who are this. And who this and who that. Yeah, Cause you want the plank of them and the plank of them money. I went to you you come talk about they not get none. What are we you never give them about them problem to you? But about the woman you damn lucky come here. When you did that come from over 360 lane with the people, and over there them did that talk or something. Take it to your dirty blood clot. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. Or you feel like so that we are gonna be count out. And you them forgive it. When them did I give it all, when time they come out with this song, you play the blood clot song more than the 360 boy. You play the song and make money and fight. Cause so you turn with your scavenger mentality, your drunk spirit, you all dirty fucker you. I don't care. Take what you get in your dirty blood clot. Oh, none of you can't tell me not to make a talk. Come out like for the woman name now you come contact the plank and then look by your feet. You dig all the while till you cuss them and run them. No, after what you do, me tell you, you know, you never notice. You say after, me tell you already. That's why I say I only come to give me 2 cents in the courthouse situation here. You see after what you do to Miss Princess with the visa, you don't realize that every blood clot where you told. Maka joke you. You don't realize that after What you did to Miss Princess and Sean Miller, you don't realize that appear judgment to take you. Appear judgment, judgment after judgment and judgment after judgment. Half of the visa that you get a 10-year rotted class visa and the cancer. Cancer to rotted clot. But people don't tend to worry in a 1 year. What a rotted clot, because based by information over the Lorraine platform here say a dulce mean a suitcase that will go foreign tool at that. And a Bob did to pick her up from the airport. Can't for anybody see Bob? Because I pass over Lorraine this morning, you know. But me not hear Bob. Anybody see Bob? Bob, where you there? From myself, me did all see Bob, you know, but no one then. From him tell the lie pan Bob to rascal Bob runway. My blood clot look like he run Bob off of social media. Anybody see Bob? I hear Bob? Because me look for Bob and can't find Bob. Bob, come here. Because you always walk up and down and listen to this live. So when you listen to this live, please, after my page, you can make your comment. Me no hear say, me I wonder what a backside, but you know, say everything. Because me here say, in the carry over, hagged, all sort of rotted clot head, fry fish and bammy and this and asted. In the carry up everything. Me I wonder if it not carry up the jelly coconut top and it's sitting bread, roast bread, fruit and something in that 2 dulce mean a suitcase when you carry from Belgium, me love. So me no get to understand say Bob did that. Then what a rotted clot. If Bob did ever go lift up then the 2 suitcases, the Bob no catch boss in nine bumbo. Rascal, God almighty. Sometimes you see, I got see if Bob no can Bob that sure catch boss within the suitcase. You know, Bob where Bob there? From Bob, me said I do from the time Bob come over here. A long time I no see Bob on my platform. Bob, where you is? Me no see Bob. He not gonna say nothing because I'm mother-in-law. Let me just say I pay hypocrite there out here. Anything Bob would out here peak, clock in it. I find the money. A long time I watch Bob, you know. From when the big scam in. All when Bob take the phone in the morning. And when time Bob hear, Bob never hear say sore foot do something out here anybody else. She are the only person Bob not have now. And when time Bob hear Bob now. Me love my mother-in-law, but my mother-in-law 2 teeth. That was all Bob have to say. Bob no have nothing to say. Bob, me want hear you what you have to say now this. Where you there, me want hear you. Because anytime, anything you always have to say, me notice that anytime Bob mother-in-law, Bob no have no say. Bob, me want hear what you have to say. Lorraine, open the platform. Because Bob must have something to say into this. Where is Bob? Oh, I want to hear what Bob have to say with this. You come, Bob, may I have some question here for you. I don't know if it brought to your attention. Hold on there. Hello? What? Hello? Me dey pan like me soon come, yeah, me soon come. Me ask Bob 2 questions and come here, me soon come. Bob, me have some question here for you. I want to make from your mother-in-law. Me never know if you have to your friend your mother-in-law. From your mother-in-law did come out and say you over here, me not see you. Me have some question here for you. Cause I say me busy with back to school also. Me know you must hear say Your mother-in-law, see Bob here then, Bob don't go nowhere. Bob, me have some question for you. Bob, me know you must hear say your mother-in-law get sued by Sister Curly. Bob, let me ask you one question. How when anything about for your mother-in-law, you never depart social media. Anything else you always have say. Anything else because you're somebody you know. Where you did cost the pa your platform over pa your platform when they pa over Lorraine platform when they tell like pa me. You always have say. When your mother-in-law the teeth 13 million, how much million that for one person. The only thing where you could have did say the morning, it was a Sunday morning. Me, this is how me hear with my ears. When time Lorraine asks you, me not call Lorraine name for the arm, but me not tell her lie. Lorraine asks you, the only thing where you say, you love your mother-in-law. Hold on, me a multitask, yeah. You say you love your mother-in-law, but your mother-in-law too thief. Right? Alright. You never have nothing to say yet. When you touch your mother-in-law. When you touch your mother-in-law, you never have nothing to say. Where you there? Where you hear what, man? So last night you ball, no man, you have to take it same way, man. What you ball for? The house? Whenever time you touch your mother-in-law, you don't have nothing to say. You don't have that big speech. Then I want to hear my boss. I want to hear the same energy, just like how your mother-in-law. When anytime for cuss anybody, your mother-in-law cuss and run chop her face until the aisle and the dirt, everything a rush her fall. And she can't all the talk. No, don't forgive the same energy.